So you have a small loop of wire like this. Suppose the wire is like this, and it is kept in a magnetic field, so that magnetic field is say normal like this, and then it is pulled out of the magnetic field. Then it is pulled out of the magnetic field. So basically EMF is N d phi by dt. Yes or no?
Yes.
And it is I by I into R into N d phi B by dt, correct? Now current is dq by dt into R is equal to N d phi by dt. So both sides it is rate of change of time. So delta Q into is equal to N by R into delta phi B. So initially magnetic flux was, finally it became 0. So initially 40 by N 20, initially magnetic flux was B, we have to calculate. So this is B into A. So A is constant, and you have to calculate just delta B. Finally B is 0 because you have pulled it out. So flux is A into delta B, and delta Q is given, na? So 2 into 10 to the power 5, and area is also given. So calculate magnetic field will be, batao, B will be equal to this 20 to 40, 2 gone.
10 is from minus 3.
So B is 10 to the power 5 upon area, na? 10 to the power minus 5 upon 0.01. So it is how much? 10 to the power minus 3 Tesla. So this is a very nice question.